Hey everyone, welcome back to Job Web Portal United States. Today job update came from Vent Company. They are recruiting for the post of assembly operator in North Carolina of United States. Watch this video till end. I will tell you the entire job information and what are the job responsibility and how you can apply for this job. If you are watching this channel first time, then subscribe to this channel to get the upcoming job information immediately. If you want upcoming job information ASAP, then type jobwebportal.com on Google to get upcoming job information. Let's get started. If we talk about job responsibility, you will have to operate equipment to produce product that is in full compliance to required product specifications, and any instructions appearing on the manufacturing order. You will have to consistently meet production rates. While meeting all quality and safety standards, you are responsible for daily preventative maintenance duties for machine. You are responsible for setting up each job based on requirements on each job packet. You will have to work with maintenance to reduce mechanical downtime. You will have to comply to and support all aspects of the nVent quality system. You will have to actively participate in continuous improvement activities as requested. You will have to observe all prescribed safety rules and regulations and maintain work area in a neat and orderly condition. You will have to perform other related duties as assigned or directed, which may require more than the normal shift hours or work week to meet company needs. If we talk about the qualification and experience, you need to have an over 1 year experience in manufacturing facility required. You need to have an high school diploma or equivalent required. You need to have an basic skills, reading, writing. You need to have an blueprint reading, basic, simple geometric parts, interpret dimensions. You need to have a basic math, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You have to communicate well with others. Link is in description. You can apply directly if you want. If you have any doubt, then you can comment below. I will meet you in the next video with the next job update.